My name is Bryce Short. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager for Canada, the United States, and Mongolia. And I'm a part of the Komatsu hydraulics excavator team. The PC5500-11 is roughly 533 to 545 metric tons. It's a perfect match for 150 to 240 ton haul trucks. So the Komatsu machines, all our machines are built to a minimum design standard of 80,000 hours or 8 million cycles. So this machine is no different. It's the same as the other ones. So they're very durable, reliable machines where a shovel is the #1 piece of equipment in a mine site. So when the shovel is down, it affects the operation. So with the durability and reliability of these machines, they help keep the mine at the maximum productivity rate. In 1997, the very first models of the PC5500 were delivered into Northern Canada, serial number 3 and 4. And they operated there for approximately 100,000 hours. They were retired, and one ended up going overseas to an operation, and it ran for a few years. PC5500, all of the models have a unique bucket design. It's easier for the operator to fill the bucket to achieve a higher rate of fill to the bucket, make it more productive machine at the end of the day. Yeah, the exciting part of the PC5500-11, this machine, it is our newest version of it. It has our simplified control system, which is a computer control system. It allows the operator to monitor, change different screens, watch the operation, but it's also easier for technical people to troubleshoot the machine. The PC5500 has the cab is extremely quiet, and the machine is solid, it's durable, and gives the operator that more level of comfort and confidence when he's sitting in the cab, or he or she is sitting in the cab. And it makes them more productive for their shift. The machines are very well built, of course, but they're also very well supported throughout the world. We have a strong dealership network, and the key to success of all machines really gets down to making sure that they're supported 24/7, 365. All the Komatsu hydraulic machines are available in a front shovel or a backhoe, or diesel or electric. So they really can be tailored to any specific mine site application. And because the geologies of the mine sites change, or the material densities change, we have a variety of buckets that actually allow us to make sure that we match the bucket to the material to the equipment. The machines, this machine at the show has the narrow shoe, but it's also available in a wide shoe for if there's a really soft underfoot condition to keep the machine, make it easier to stay stable on soft ground. The exciting part with the PC5500-11 is because it has the new Comtrax Plus 2 simplified, it allows the operator to change the controls, like I said, but also this machine is available with an Argus payload system, which allows the operator to see the truck and the bucket to match so they know if their bucket is full. And it also allows for the operators to have kind of a little bit of a challenge, because they can actually challenge each other per shift, to have a little bit of fun.